What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Alex again, back with another video. And this time today we are driving here in South Dakota. We are going to Cheyenne, Wyoming, about 310 miles to get to Cheyenne, Wyoming. And we're gonna be picking a load at the Lowe's distribution center in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and we are taking that load to Nampa, Idaho. So it's gonna be a pretty nice ride. There's always a lot of scenery in Utah, so it's gonna be a nice ride, guys. And also on the in Idaho too. You know, Idaho is pretty nice. So we'll see what the road got lined up for us in this day. What's up, my friends? So I'm already on the road to Nampa, Idaho. I picked up the load in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and look at this. Wyoming is just like a different planet, man. It was all nice and sunny over there in South Dakota, and here it's like winter. It's like only 41 degrees and foggy and kind of raining, so it's just very gloomy, man. But it's just crazy. Every time you come here, you don't know what to expect, man. It's like, or it's nice and you're like, oh my god, it's nice, or it's freaking windy, or it's doing something, bro. It's doing some kind of rain or some kind of slushy. So even in June, there was one time I was over here in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and it was freaking snowing, man. So yeah, you don't know what to expect when you come to Wyoming. Wyoming is just a weird state. It's beautiful, but the weather freaking is unpredictable. You always have to look at the weather every time you come into Wyoming, because you don't know what to expect, man. It's just like it's like a box of chocolates, man. You never know what you're gonna get. For real. Well, at least it's not foggy anymore. You know, it's still kind of rainy a little bit, but it's not foggy. That's a plus. What's going on, people? So I'm over here in Utah at the Echo Canyon. Every time I go through here, I have to stop because I like to do this little hike, man. Pretty freaking awesome. Go up this way and then come down in the other side. Okie dokie, my friends. So now we are not driving on I-80 West anymore. We are on I-84 West. And this one's going to take us all the way to Idaho. But we are driving through here in Utah. And this is actually a pretty nice road right here. You know, the view is pretty nice. You know, the mountains are really close to us in both sides. So there's a river on the right side. Hopefully you guys can see it. I hope I didn't put the speed too fast on this. But and then there's the Devil's Slide Canyon also around here somewhere. I think it's like around here somewhere. Yeah, on the right side. And there's a place that you can stop, but we're not gonna stop because I like to haul ass and get the deliveries when I need to get them there. And if I can get them there sooner, then the sooner the better, so I can be with another load in my hands. But yeah, enjoy the view, guys. What is this, man? So nice weather in Utah, and now we are driving in Idaho, and it's nice and raining. Look at this. The beautiful rain decided to come down on us. Damn it, boy. But yeah, we're getting close to the delivery. I look at the weather, and yes, it's gonna be raining all day. All day. You believe it? So it's gonna be gloomy, guys. So it's gonna suck. You know, I mean, I like the rain, but you know, I guess it's okay, man. At least it's not like pouring, but still, you know, we don't have that nice and sunny day. But yeah, we're getting close to the delivery. We're just gonna get there, and we can't put this trailer on their deck until tomorrow morning because they are still unloading the other trailer that is there. So I'm gonna get there to the Lowe's store. It's a store, it's not a DC. And in the morning I moved the empty out of there and then put this trailer there, and then we are going to Casa Grande. No, it's not Casa Grande. I'm sorry, that's in Arizona. We're going to La Grande, Oregon. That's where we're going. We're going to La Grande, Oregon, and we're gonna pick up a load there. And that load is going to Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles, California. Yeah, that's where it's going. So that's what we got lined up, guys. We're gonna finish this load in the morning, and then we head on to La Grande, Oregon, and pick up that load. There was a Schaefer in Creek on the other side. You know what they call those? You know, when you see a Schaefer trailer with a Creek truck, you know, a red and a Schaefer, they call them Creefer. I wonder what they call me now, since I'm pulling a Creek trailer with a blue truck. You know, usually the blue ones are the ones that pull the Schaefer, and the red ones is the ones that pull the Creek trailer. But now, lately, they just give us whatever trucks. You know, it doesn't matter if it's blue or red. But if you're doing drive, if you can do it with a blue truck, and if you're doing Schaefer, you can do it with a red truck. You know, but before they used to have just the red with the Creek and the blue with the Schaefer. But now it doesn't matter, I guess. So yeah, I got a blue truck, and I kind of like the blue because there's more red trucks than blue trucks. But I guess we are driving this blue beast right now. So hopefully that place that that I'm picking up in La Grande, Oregon, there's a lady there. I went and picked up there during the winter, and that lady has a bad attitude, like super bad. So I went in there, you know, the night before, you know, and I asked some people there that work there. I said, hey, can I park here? I gotta pick up in the morning. They said, oh yeah, we've seen trucks that park there, should be okay. I said, okay, cool. So I'm like, nice, you know, I make myself comfortable. I park there not even close to the building, you know. I was like over by some train tracks. And then at 4 a.m., man, 4 a.m., boom, 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 boom. And I'm like, what the frick? So I come out, man, and there's this lady. You need to move. There's no overnight parking here. You need to move. If you don't move in the next 15 minutes, I'm gonna call the tow truck. I said, okay. But my my pickup is already like in 2 hours. I mean, why you kicking me out? Can I just stay here? No, you need to come back. I'm like, damn it, boy. So yeah, I had to I called the company and say, hey, they kicked me out of here right now, and I'm still doing my 10-hour rest, you know. And then they said, there's something close to there, just go to that closest place that you can go. So there was a Flying J like 13 miles, you know, in my opposite direction. So I went there, and then I had to wake up again. And I could, after she woke me up and I drove to the Flying J, I couldn't even go back to sleep anymore, guys. I was like, you know, like laying in my bed with trying to go to sleep. I had my eyes closed and I couldn't. I freaking couldn't. So I hated that lady that whole day because she was really mean and with bad attitude and grumpy. And then when I got there, she was still grumpy. And yeah, she's just grumpy. So, and I'm gonna go see that freaking lady again tomorrow. Okay, my friends, so we are here in La Grande, Oregon, and it's raining and slushy. The weather has just got crazy over here, and the lady still has an attitude, but at least I'm in the dock and I'm getting loaded. But yeah, we delivered that load in Nampa, Idaho, and now we are here getting loaded, getting ready to hit the road to Los Angeles, California. But yeah, the weather is shitty right now. It's raining and really cold. It's like 38 degrees. Not good. It feels like winter again over here, man. Shit. Okay, my friends, so we are loaded and we are leaving. Really apologize right now. The road is kind of bumpy, so the camera is gonna be kind of moving a little bit once we pass this bumpy kind of road. You know, it's got like a little patches or sinking road. I guess so many heavy trucks go through here, and they are making like a sink lines over here, so it's getting bumpy. Hopefully we are done with that. Sorry about that, but anyways, that lady was really rude again. And then after I went in, you know, when they told me to go in and for my paperwork, I went in, and then she's like, what's your truck number? And I said, Jesus Christ. And you know, I gave her my truck number and everything when I went in there, and she wrote it down, and the truck number was right there on the bills, you know, already. And then I say, oh, it's right there on your bills, you know, on the top right corner. She's like, I need you to tell me your truck number. I say, okay. So I told her my truck number. And then, you know, but she's always with a bad attitude. I hate that lady. But, you know, I have to be polite, you know, because that doesn't need to bother you. You know, it's just negative people and stupid, so move on. All right, my friends, so I'm enjoying this view over here. I'm already in the US highway, and I'm gonna take US highway 95, and this one's gonna take me all the way to like Winnemucca, I think it is, Nevada, and that's where I'm gonna jump on the I-80, and we're gonna take I-80 west until we get to those other highways. But right now this is gonna be the one that we're gonna be driving on, and I think I'm gonna make it to a place, I forgot the name of that place, but there's a Shell there, and then they have a lot of parking there that you can park. So probably that's where I'm gonna spend the night. Still got some hours to make it there. It's probably gonna be like 4 hours that I'm gonna still drive to make it there. And then in the morning I'm just gonna have like maybe, I want to say about 53 miles or 43 miles to get to Winnemucca, whatever, Nevada, and that's where I'm gonna take I-80. Okay, my friends, so we are here in the Downer Pass. We are already in California, and there's a major construction that they're repairing the road. So which is good, you know, because man, the roads over here, like the lines, you know, where the trucks go there, it's just like a sink, two lines that are synced in there, like big old holes that it's just crazy. So they're actually fixing. See the road that I'm on the right side right now, they fixed those already. But that's what they're doing right now. They are fixing that, so which is good. But man, it's just crazy. They said that it was gonna be a major backup. So I don't know how long is this gonna take, man. But at least we're doing good time for the delivery, though. And here's me on I-80 West at the Vista View in California. And guess what? I got a blowout. So they're fixing it right now. It took them about 2 hours and 20 minutes to get here. So, but they are working on it now. And so, yeah, it's a very nice view, guys. Super beautiful. Let me show you guys how it looks over here at the Vista View in California. At the Gap, Immigrant Gap. Very nice. Hope you guys like it. What's going on, people? It's me, Alex, and guess what? So I got that blowout and I wasted there about 2 hours and 20 some minutes, and then the delay of the traffic because of construction before the blowout, so that put me down to like 3 hours and a half, that I wasted. So the delivery that I had, that it was going to Los Angeles, I couldn't make that delivery on time at 11 a.m. So, but the company knew, I told them, so they knew about the blowout and the traffic, so they set up another appointment. Instead of being there at 11 a.m., I was gonna get there at 2 p.m. So I'm rolling right. I drove after I got the blowout and actually made it to a Love's in Lodi, California. That's where I spent the night. In the morning I got up, got ready and everything, and I started driving. And then like an hour after I was driving, I get a message that they changed the appointment again. So they didn't want it that day at 2. They wanted it until the 27, I think it was. Yeah, 27. Yeah, on Monday at 7 a.m. So they changed it. So my asset manager, I got a hold of my asset manager, and then he said, yeah, they changed it. So then they told me to take that load to Stockton, California, And because we have a yard also there. It's just a drop yard, not the terminal or anything like that. We don't have nothing in California. So I took it to the drop yard, and then I got it empty from there, and then they gave me another load, so I kept on moving. So I went to Fairfield, California, and I picked up a load there, and then I brought that one back to the yard because that one was going to Idaho. So I kind of I was helping to bring another load there. Then I grabbed another empty, and then that one I went again to the same place in Fairfield, California. I got loaded, and that load was going to Layton, Utah at the Kroger Smith. But you're not gonna believe what happened, man, at that place. So if you want to know, watch the next video. And thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I appreciate you guys for watching, especially the new subscribers and everybody that has been riding with me since I started making videos. We grow in the channel little by little, and I'm really happy, and I really appreciate everybody that is staying with me and supporting me. Appreciate it, guys. God bless. See you in the next video for the story, man.